Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products. On my right hand, this is meat slicers, also countertop stylings. And we can see the units. They come with 4 standing legs at foot, and also they have a security mount outfit for security. You can mount on tables. But let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like 28 inches long. And the depth of the units, they are almost about like 23.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the units, they are almost about like 20.5 inches tall. So as we can see the units handlebars here, you can put the meats and you can adjust this top, the height to put in how thickness of the meats. These dimensions right here. From the pan area to these handlebars, it is about like 8 inches total. And the manufacturer also gives you security covers on the side. So when we're looking at the side of the units, we're having this squeeze, adjust the thickness of the pan area. And for this cutting pan, it is about like 14 inches. And when we look in the side of the units, they come with the power switches and the stop, and also the behinds. The manufacturer pre-offer the 110 plugs, so using standard power 110 voltage. And the behind of the units, we can see the sanitation sticker sign with the ETL sanitations for the numbers. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.